With numerous products available, selecting the perfect one can be daunting. To simplify your decision-making process, we've curated the top 6 products. Explore the descriptions for comprehensive details and current pricing. McCulloch MC1275. Though this steam cleaner is heavier than some of its peers, 12 pounds, to be precise, a 15-foot-long power cord and a 9-foot steams hose makes it easy to maneuver all over your homes or business. This versatile machine works on carpets, most floors, counter, windows, appliances, windows, and inside vehicles. It comes with 18 attachments that allows you to switch on mop, sqeegees, brushes, scrub pad, and more. You can even feel good using it often in your home because it cleans ceramic tiles, grout, granite, sealed woods flooring, grill, and more without dangerous chemical. And its 48-ounce tank heat water up in under 8 minutes and allow for 45 minutes of cleaning at a time, making it the top options on our list of best steam cleaners. KOITAT. This handheld steam cleaner, your ultimate solution for versatile home cleaning. With its compact design and powerful steam technology, this multi-purpose cleaner is your go-to tool for tackling grime, grease, and more. Equipped with a 10-accessory kit, this steamer offers unparalleled versatility. From upholstery to kitchen surfaces, tiles to windows, no job is too tough for this powerhouse cleaner. The included attachments ensure you have the right tool for every task, making cleaning effortless and efficient. Safety is paramount, which is why our steam cleaner features a safety lock mechanism. This ensures peace of mind while using the device, especially in households with children or pets. Not only does it effectively remove dirt and stains, but it also sanitizes surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals, making it environmentally friendly and safe for your family. Its lightweight and portable designs allow for easy maneuverability, reaching even the most awkward spaces with ease. Say goodbye to bulky cleaning equipment and hello to convenience with our handheld steam cleaner. Experience the power of steam cleaning and transform your home into a pristine sanctuary with our multi-purpose steam cleaner today. Dupray. When it comes to taking on big cleaning job, this large-capacity steam cleaner should do the tricks. Thanks to the portable cube-shaped units that combines an impressive 54 ounces water tank, 16-foot-long power cords, and 6.5-foot-long steam hoses, the Dupray steamer is capable of delivering 50 minutes of continuous steams with ample maneuverability to reach furnitures and surfaces throughout the home. The wheel on this steam cleaner allows for smooth rolling from room to rooms, and an retractable handle makes carrying this 9-pound unit a breeze. When we unboxed the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, we were immediately impressed by the quality. The attachments felt well constructed, and the fabric steamer's microfiber bonnet was much thicker than those from other models. We also liked the unique modern aesthetic and the cord storage on the bottom of the cube. When we put this model to the test, it blasted through dirt, coffee, and wine stains on our micro-suede fabric. It did okay on the tomato sauce and chocolate stains, eliminating about 50% of the soiled area. We also tested the mop attachment, which glided smoothly across our hardwood floors, picking up dirt and leaving the floors streak-free. Comforday. The Comforday, multi-purpose handheld pressurized steam cleaner, your ultimate companion for conquering dirt and grime in every corner of your home. With its versatile functionality and 9-piece accessory set, this powerhouse cleaner is perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains on carpets, curtains, or upholstery, or need to refresh your car seats, floors, or windows, this steam cleaner has you covered. Its pressurized steam technology effortlessly lifts and removes dirt, leaving surfaces sparkling clean and sanitized. The 9-piece accessory kit ensures you have the right tool for every job, from precision nozzles for targeted cleaning to brushes for scrubbing away tough grime. With Comforday, achieving a spotless home has never been easier. Compact and lightweight, this handheld steam cleaner is designed for easy maneuverability, allowing you to reach even the most hard-to-reach areas with ease. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. Say goodbye to harsh chemical and hello to the power of steam cleaning with the Comforday multi-purpose handheld pressurized steam cleaner. Transform your home into a haven of cleanliness and freshness today. McCulloch MC1385. If you have a sizable home with mainly hard floors, you might be looking for a commercial model with a larger water tank to reduce the number of times you're interrupted when cleaning. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner may fit the bill with its 64-ounce water tank that can deliver 120 minutes of continuous steam. Keep in mind that since there's so much more water for the machine to heat up, this model will take longer to heat up than smaller capacity steam mops. Plan to plug it in about 12 minutes before you're ready to start cleaning. This device offers on-demand variable steam to help you prioritize when and where the steam is dispensed when cleaning. It also comes with 23 different accessories to help you clean surfaces beyond just floors. A few of these attachments include a jet nozzle, a squeegee, a scraper, 5 brass brushes, a round scrub pad, and 5 nylon utility brushes. 2 traditional mop pads and 2 scrubbing mop pads also come with your purchase, so you can accommodate the cleaning and care needs of each flooring surface. Dirt Devil. The Dirt Devil. 7-in-1 portable handheld steamer, your ultimate solution for effortless and chemical-free cleaning. This versatile steamer comes equipped with specialized multi-surface cleaning tools, making it perfect for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks throughout your home. With adjustable steam control, you can customize the steam output to suit different surfaces and cleaning needs, ensuring optimal results every time. From tough stains on hard floors to grime on countertops, this steamer delivers powerful cleaning performance without the need for harsh chemicals. Weighing in as one of the lightest steamers on the market, the Dirt Devil WD-1000 is designed for maximum portability and simple of use. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold and maneuver, allowing you to reach tight spaces and high surfaces with ease. The 7-in-1 functionality means you have everything you need to achieve a thorough clean in one convenient package. Whether you're refreshing tile grout, sanitizing bathroom surfaces, or steaming wrinkles out of curtains, this steamer has you covered. Experience the power of steam cleaning with the Dirt Devil 7-in-1 portable handheld steamer and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home without the hassles of chemicals. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to sparkling cleanliness today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.